Welcome back to Pinkvilla Tech, and today we finally have our hands-on iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Mini. We're going to quickly unbox these devices along with their accessories, and we're going to talk about the differences in the packaging this year. Let's quickly start with the unboxing, and we'll have a full video coming out soon. Stay tuned for more. By the way, this is the Flow Life Desk 2, which is with adjustable height, and we're going to do most of our videos or tech review videos out here standing upright. So let's start with the smallest guy here, which is the iPhone 13 Mini. And quite honestly, I'm liking the color on this guy here. White is not really my favorite color, but maybe this might just change my perspective of the color white. They have changed the package overall. Now Apple has decided to go green and use as many recycled parts on their phones, even on their packaging, as much as possible. And you can see that being reflected in this packaging. Last year's 12 Pro still had the plastic cover. This time there's no plastic. But we have seals at the bottom to unbox the phone. Let's start with the unsealing of the box. So this time, on the iPhone 13 lineup, the camera layout has changed. It's because of the sensor shift technology that has now trickled down even to this smaller guy here. Previously, it was only available on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's start with the peel off. Now with the iPhone 13 Mini, we have also got a case, which is this nice silicone case, green in color. Really looking neat. And this is a MagSafe cover, so the moment you put it on, you should get an indication, but you won't get it this time because we haven't powered the phone on. Before we power the iPhone 13 Mini, we will unbox the big guy, the iPhone 13 Pro. It's a beauty. I've never seen a white which is this beautiful, and my perspective of white phones is changed with the 13 Pro. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of tech right here. Let's also unbox the leather MagSafe cover that we have received for the iPhone 13 Pro. Looks really neat. So the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Mini. Now we are going to put both of these phones, the 13 Pro, the Mini, against the 12 Pro from last year. We're going to talk about the major difference in terms of the A15 Bionic chip, which is on the iPhone 13 Pro, and the A14 chip from last year. But we'll also focus mainly on the camera sensors, is because that is what Apple is marketing the Pro series of phones from this year, and the 13 series as well. Even the Mini this time has got the sensor shift technology. So it does fit the bill when we want to do a comparison between the 12 Pro, because the 12 Pro did not have a sensor shift technology back then, or that's last year. So when we put it through these spaces, we will understand if the sensor shift technology on the 13 Mini also makes a difference, and if it's a good phone to buy at the price point. Now this has been the unboxing video for the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Mini. We're gonna do a follow-up video where we put both these phones up against last year's iPhone 12 Pro, compare video samples, pictures, and then we'll help you guys determine if your shift from the 12 series to 13 doesn't make sense, and how much of a difference has Apple actually made with these larger sensors on these phones. This is Audrey signing off from Pinkvilla Tech.